Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of connecting your Namecheap domain to Squarespace. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to purchase a domain from Namecheap if you haven't done so already. You can find a link in the description along with a discount code to get some great deals and support the channel. Once you've secured your domain, head over to your Namecheap dashboard. Here, select the domain you want to connect and copy it to your clipboard for easy access. Next, log into Squarespace and choose the site where you want to add the domain. Navigate to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, select Domains and Email, and then Domains. Click on the Use a Domain I Own button and paste your domain into the field provided. Click Next to proceed. You'll be prompted to choose between transferring the domain or connecting it. Select the Connect option. There are two ways to do this, automatically or using DNS records. I'll walk you through both. For the automatic method, click Get Started. Sign into your Namecheap account and follow the prompts. You'll need to update your Namecheap name servers. Go back to your Namecheap dashboard, locate your domain, and click Manage. Change the name servers from Namecheap Basic to Custom. Delete any existing entries and paste the new ones provided by Squarespace. Once done, click the check mark to save the changes. This process can take up to 24 hours to complete, and you'll receive email updates once it's done. Alternatively, you can use DNS records. Click Use DNS records and select Namecheap as your provider. Make sure the name servers are set to Namecheap Basic DNS. Go to the Advanced DNS settings and add each record provided by Squarespace. For each record, specify the host, type, and required data, leaving the TTL as automatic. After adding all records, refresh the settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. This process may take some time to update. Once your domain is connected, you can view your website to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Also, if you're interested in affordable hosting from Namecheap, check out the link in the description for some fantastic discounts. Thank you for watching.